Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about applying your soft skills on the internship work site. So on the screen, I'm displaying some results of a recent employer survey where we got almost 500 respondents from organizations that deal specifically with interns. And look at this, 96% of them said they consider soft skills as important as hard skills. So hard skills are the things that they explicitly want their interns or potential employees to have that they'll apply on the job. Like you have to know Excel, or you have to know record keeping rules, or those are the hard skills that are detailed out in the qualifications and duties of any job description. So what are soft skills? Soft skills are those things that help you work with others, and 96% of employers say that that's just as important. That's a huge amount. So what I want you to do is go out and do a little research. Google the phrase soft skills or similar phrases to see what skills you can identify in yourself that are your best qualities. So remember, soft skills are those kinds of skills that help you work with others. And they cut across many different aspects of how we relate to other people. So it can be in your verbal communication, your nonverbal communication. It can be in your ability to work as a team member. All of these sort of soft ways that we get along with other people. Think about what qualities you already possess that are your strengths that you can build upon going into your internship. What soft skills do you already possess that you can enhance and show off as you're at your internship? Okay, so do a little Google research, uncover those soft skills. There's tons of them out there, lists of soft skills. Find the ones that most attract you, that you know you already possess and have good strength of. Then, in addition, identify 1, 2, or maybe even 3 soft skills that you think you need improving. For example, one that I often hear students say is their listening skills, because all of our curriculum is online. We just don't have the opportunity to practice our very good listening skills. So if that's an area where you could use improvement, now's the time to practice that. When you're listening to others at the internship, are you being mindful as you're listening? Are you taking mental notes of what they're saying so that you can remember them when you get back to your own desk or spot of where you work? Are you taking physical notes as they're speaking to help your listening stay on track and be mindful of what they're saying? Are you really in the moment when listening? So all of those things. Find the soft skill, 1, 2, or 3, depending on how much you want to take on, that you're willing to improve. Okay, and then what are you going to do with that information? In our internship, you are required to keep a journal. So under the assignment guides section, you'll see the information for filling out the journal. You may have already read that. And within the journal, under the reflections, you have to identify at least 1 soft skill that you practice or apply today. And you have to do this every day you work at your internship. So line up those soft skills that you're already good at. Tell me how you applied them and how they're already your strength. Figure out any room for improvement, or just reflect on your practicing of those soft skills. And then also on a different day, tell me about a soft skill that you had identified as an area of weakness and how you tried to improve it at the internship. The other thing you can do, you're at a great spot being an intern, you can also just observe others, right? Who's somebody who's really good with people? What makes them really good with people? Is it their listening skills? Is it their verbal communication? Observe and reflect on that here in the journal. If you have any questions at all, you can email me or give me a call at any time.